This is the RPM870, an 8-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth, a 7-band EQ, 24-bit effects, phantom power, and much more. This 750 watts powered mixer is perfect for professional and DJ setups, school and conference events, karaoke, coffee houses, live events, houses of worship, and then in home use for band practices, house parties, and other custom applications. Let's go check out a demo we have set up.
What's up, guys? So here I am with the RPM870 all set up and ready to go. I got two of my speakers set up through the speak-on outputs, and I got my phone connected to the mixer so we can play some music. So let's go ahead and hear how it sounds. Yeah. Sounds great. We can even go up on volume a little bit. So of course we got the XLR and line-in quarter-inch input so we can connect any microphones or instruments to the mixer. So I've got my microphone connected to channel 1 here, so I can raise the gain knob and the fader for channel 1. And now if I talk into my microphone, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speakers. What's also really cool is the effects processor built into the mixer so we can give our voice some extra flair between different reverbs, delays, chorus, flanger, etc. So for example, I'm going to use the preset selector here to go to preset 10 for the warm delay. Then I can raise the effects knob here, raise up the effects fader on the bottom, and then I can go to my channel and send how much of my voice I want to be sent to the effects. So I'm going to raise that high up, check 1, 2, and now you'll hear the effect. We can also use the parameters here to fine-tune the effect, so I can use parameter 1 for the time, and parameter 2 for the feedback. Check. We also have 8 different reverbs we can choose from, so altogether there's so many different effects that we can throw onto our instrument or microphones. So with all of these different effects, the mic inputs, and the Bluetooth compatibility, this makes for a great karaoke setup since we can connect any smartphone or tablet, go into the YouTube app, search for any karaoke version of a song, grab our mic, throw on an effect, and start singing along to the music. Hey now, you're an all-star, get your game on, go play. Hey now, you're a rock star, get the show on, get paid. All that glitters is gold, only shooting stars break the mold, yeah!
Now this mixer has a super rugged design with carry handles on the side for portability and ease to move, and the mixer is super user friendly. There are 6 microphone/line channels, but each channel is exactly the same, so let's go through one now. On each channel there is a high quality XDR2 XLR microphone preamp input for microphones, and right below that is a 1/4-inch high Z input/line input. You can use this input for instruments like guitar or bass, line level inputs, and even for microphones with 1/4-inch cables. You'll just have to set the gain knob and pad button accordingly depending on if you're using a mic, instrument, or line level signal. Each channel also has a 4-band high mid, low mid, and low EQ knob, so you can boost or cut those specific frequency ranges around your preference. On top of the 4-band EQs per channel, there's also a master stereo 7-band EQ over here, so you can really fine-tune the sound of your mixer around your preference, and there's an EQ kill button if you want to bypass the master EQ. Each channel also has an aux knob that sends the channel signal to the 1/4-inch aux send over here, and a return 1/4-inch input, which you can use if you want to use external effects like compressors, reverbs, delays, etc. But you probably won't need to use that many external effects because the RPM870 comes with 16 different effects like reverbs, delays, choruses, flangers, phasers, and rotary speakers. All the effects have 2 parameters that you can control listed here on the mixer, and you can just use the FX knob on each channel to mix in how much of the effect is coming through that channel. Just make sure that this FX fader is also up, as this controls the faster amount of the effects send. Each channel also features a pan knob to set the stereo spread of placement of each signal coming through the mixer, and then there is a mute button to quickly mute the channel, a fader to set the overall post gain level of that channel in the main mix, and each channel also has a solo button, which if you will click will allow you to hear just that channel through headphones, which you can plug headphones into this mixer with the 1/4-inch headphone jack over here. Now channel 7 and 8 is the stereo channel and features RCA inputs for line level signals. Channel 7 and 8 also has a 2-band EQ and a fader down over here, and this stereo channel is great for stereo synths, laptops, and also works with the Bluetooth module here that has the LCD display that allows you to toggle through different inputs like USB and Bluetooth. The channel 7/8 fader and gain controls the volume for anything connected through Bluetooth. Over here we have a phantom power switch to activate 48 volts of phantom power if you're ever using a condenser microphone on any channel, and there's also an RCA rec out that you can use to send signal of everything coming through the mixer to a recording device and record everything. This is especially useful for conference talks, band practices, and live performances. And finally, we have our left and right master volume faders here, which controls the overall volume of the whole mixer. On the back, we have our speak on outputs as well as 1/4-inch speaker outputs to go to your passive speakers. And we also have an additional XLR left and right main outputs on the face of the mixer to send signal to another powered mixer, powered subwoofer, or active speakers, which is great for bigger professional setups. So if you're looking for a portable, powerful, and professional 8-channel powered mixer with Bluetooth and effects, look no further than the RPM870 from Rockville.